Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews, and today's video, I got a triple unboxing for you. So let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on men's style, luxury fashion, all things Louis Vuitton. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to see my triple unboxing, then keep on watching. So the first item that I'm going to be sharing with you is something that I was actually given by my sales associate. I told her that I was contemplating purchasing another fragrance, but I wanted to see the kind of new fragrances that they had launched. But because we're in a lockdown and I'm not able to actually go in store and see the types of new fragrances that they offer and smell them and see whether I like them or not, she decided to give me this item. And honestly, it was so cute. She packaged it really nicely. There was no bow for this one just because, if you might know what I'm talking about, it is fragrances. So she gave me a whole bunch of Louis Vuitton fragrances that I don't have and that I haven't tried yet. So she knows which ones that I've been looking for and which ones that I want to possibly try, just because I am contemplating purchasing another fragrance. I did get a new fragrance from Louis Vuitton for Christmas, and that was the Cactus Garden one. I will leave a link up here if you haven't seen that video. And I absolutely love that fragrance. So I really do want to get another one just so that way I can have two in my collection. And so she gave me a bunch of fragrances. I'm not going to be able to pronounce all of them, but some of them that she gave me were the Meteor one, the Le Mesty, Au Hazard, Sur la Route, Orage, Nouveau Monde, Song Song, and Afternoon Swim. So I really do appreciate that she was able to give this to me, and I'm going to definitely try all of these to see which one I like best. I know a lot of my sales associates that send me perfume samples, they tell me that I'm really going to enjoy the Afternoon Swim one just because I do like the Cactus Garden, and I did purchase the full bottle. So she said that I will most likely like the Afternoon Swim. But I really am excited to try the Meteor one because that was one of their newest fragrances and I'm hearing a lot of good things about it. So I'm definitely excited to try that. But yeah, so she just gave me them in a little SLG box and packaged them with a lot of samples. So I'm really happy that she was able to do that for me. The next item that I have for you is going to be in this little box right here. As you can tell, it's obviously going to be another SLG. And I was quite surprised. I'm actually happy that she was actually able to give me the Chinese New Year tag. And I do know that a lot of the boutiques sold out really quickly with these. And they actually didn't have any of the ribbon left. I know, I asked her. I asked her if she can give me the Chinese New Year packaging just because I love these like tags in general. And I like collecting the different ones. So yeah, so any guesses as to what this might be before I open it? So let's get into it. Opening it up. It comes in the casual drawer box with the little dust bag. And for those of you who watched my collection video, you might be able to guess what this is just because I did lend this to my sister. So I ended up getting the Damier Azur key pouch. So instead of me asking my sister for this one back, I decided to just repurchase myself. And let me tell you, it was honestly quite nail biter or quite the plunge because these things got a huge price increase. Here in Canada, these retail now for 320 Canadian dollars, and before the price increase, they were only 250 Canadian dollars. So these went up like 70 Canadian dollars, and that's quite a bit. So just after taxes, these are like $360 now. And when I first started collecting Louis Vuitton, these only costed me like $230 with taxes like 6 or 7 years ago. So these have definitely increased in price quite a bit. So this one is actually made in the USA and the date code is SD4270. So that means it was made in the 47th week of 2020. And it does come with the 2 textile cards. And so the textile card does say coated fabric, cowhide leather lining, made in USA of imported materials. So yeah, I definitely wanted to get myself another key pouch just because I do miss it, and I have the other prints, so obviously I have to have this. So yeah, this is my second unboxing from Louis Vuitton. So the next item and the last item that I'm going to be sharing with you today, I honestly did not expect to pick it up at all. This actually did release back in June, at the end of June for 2020, and it was an online exclusive. And once it was sold out, it was really, really hard to get your hands on it. So I did not expect to pick this up at all. And I was just browsing the website, stalking it, seeing what things were popping in and out of stock. And as a Louis Vuitton fan, we all know we're stalking the website a little bit way too much than we should. And then so I decided to just check to see if there's any in-store availability for this particular item. And lo and behold, this was in stock at the Holt Renfrew location here in Toronto, Canada. And so I immediately texted my sales associate to see if she still had it in stock, if it was on hold for another client. And she said it was ready for me to purchase. So I was like, yes, please charge my card. I want this item. And so yeah, she shipped it out to me, and this is the box that it came in. There was no Chinese New Year tag for this just because she only had she didn't have enough for this packaging, which is totally fine. I'm okay with it. I already got my one, but this is the box that it did come with. So opening it up, as I can open it, well, oh, okay, this is kind of hard to open, but it does come in this small little dust bag like so. I actually don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm super happy that I'm actually able to add this. And this is going to be the reverse monogram Eclipse coin card holder. I am so shocked that I'm actually able to have this piece. I really am loving the reverse monogram pieces that I do have, and I really wanted something in reverse Eclipse just because, I don't know, I kind of like the reverse pieces a lot better than the traditional. So this one does feature 3 card slots here with another slip pocket over here, which you can put another card in. I personally will not be putting a card in here just because, similar to my pocket organizers, I don't want to stretch this pocket out. It also does feature a zipper compartment here, and this is in like a gunmetal hardware, which I absolutely love. If you watched some of my previous videos, I do have the coin pouch in a Monogram Eclipse, and it does have that same gunmetal hardware, which I think is amazing. And then on the back, it does have the regular Monogram Eclipse. Opening it up, this one is made in Italy, and you do get the 2 cards, and then you are able to just put your coins, bills, and whatever inside this pocket here. So this one is made out of coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and interior lining. And for those of you who want to know, the product code is M69533. So yeah, that is amazing. Happy she included that. And then the date code is actually featured in this pocket here, if I'm not mistaken, around this end. So where the zipper closure ends. And the date code for this guy, if I can read it, is FH5220. So this is made in the 52nd week of 2020, which is actually quite interesting because that means it was made in December. So that means they're making these pieces here and there. It wasn't actually just only made during the June launch. So if you still want to possibly get your hands on this piece, definitely reach out to your sales associate. Maybe they can place an order for it, or just ask them to put this on your wait list or put you on a wait list, and then they'll be able to order this hopefully for you if it does come into store. But so happy that I was able to add this into my collection. I don't have anything like this, and I honestly think this is going to be like a great alternative to my pocket organizers, just because it does have a zipper compartment where I can keep some of my coins in there and not necessarily have to carry a key pouch with me. And then I do have the slot where I can keep my 3 cards. And I actually do like how they have this little slip pocket here where I can just keep some like bills or some receipts and stuff like that. So I'm super, super happy that I was actually able to add this into my collection. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who watches my videos and subscribes to my channel. You guys are amazing. I get a lot of warmth and support from you guys on my Instagram and other social medias. You guys DM me there and I love interacting with each and every one of you. We have some really great conversations and I really, really do enjoy the support. I hope everybody is staying safe and well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.